All right, guys, we've got some decals on the body now. Not a huge fan of a lot of decals, but I like factory decals that look realistic, headlight decals, things like that. But normally I'm never down for like weird skull decals or things like that. But with this this body, I just couldn't help myself. It looks so cool. It's like a hippie style body, so I did use some of the cool decals they sent with it. The decal sheet they sent with this body was awesome. Like, I can't believe these decals. I've never seen decals come with a body like this, so that's kind of cool. A little extra thing. Okay, we're gonna throw the battery in it. We're gonna do a quick test run, and what we're gonna do is break the diffs in. Super important. So what you're gonna do is get the car up on something, run it, and then you're gonna hold one tire, or you're gonna run it at like very low speed, 10% or something if you can, and then you'll just use your throttle trim to keep the car running steady. And then you're gonna hold one wheel, let go of it, hold one wheel, let go of it, hold one wheel, and basically do that going around the car and break the diffs in nice and easy. So this way they just get a nice first run on them. We'll know if anything's wrong with the diffs right away too. So, okay, we're gonna do that. Battery fits well. That's good, because it's the battery I want to run these. These batteries are the batteries I want to run. Could probably cut some of that off. But a little bit long on the Velcro for any battery that I'm going to run in this, really. I like this, how they have a, like my cable's not going to be long enough for it wonderfully. Wonder if that slides. Yes, it does. I do like this, how they have a little clip for your cable. To give you a lot of extra Velcro, because you can't run a higher battery than this battery box here unless you modify and cut the battery box and run a higher battery, which we might be doing later on. We'll see. So far, I'm gonna run these and see if a tooth of my 3 cells will fit in there. That'll give me 5,400 milliamps over the 4,000. It has a really, really nice area for holding your, I want to show you guys this. So, to hold your balance port cable, it has a little slotted area in the battery box. So you just slide your balance port down in and pull the rubber tie over. I think that's awesome. Makes a super clean setup. Nice. Just gated myself a little extra cable through my tire up here. Nice. Now that I know where that runs, I'll probably tie wrap that up like that. I definitely will, to keep it out of the steering arm. All right, guys, got our RC6GS. I really like this radio. It feels really cheap. It works really well. It does everything really, really well. So far, like, this is my passion radio. I run an Arrma, so a little better radio for racing, but that's only because I like the brake feel on the Arrma a little better, and like the longer throttle pull. But other than that, this is a really nice radio. These work really well, and they have crazy good range. So, and telemetry on the radio, so you can see your battery voltage right on your radio screen. So, without further ado, guys, let's fire it up and see if it flies off the table. I've already programmed the radio to the. I've already programmed the radio receiver to the ESC, so that's good to go. We should have steering wheel. Love it. Nice and fast. Okay, good. Let's get a box and set this baby up. It's got a little chassis wobble in the back. That's probably like a tire imbalance thing. Apparently unbalanced tires, but anyways, okay, it does work. So what we're gonna do, if you notice, I've given it no hard throttle yet at all, like trying to give it as little as possible just to let the wheels turn, just to check and make sure everything's okay. So what I'm gonna do is take my throttle off. All right, guys, it's time to go outside.